Well, y'all read the title. Today we're getting rid of probably the most iconic mod on my car, and no, it's not that. We are saying goodbye to the stripes today, so it's kind of sad, but not really. Had my run with them. I've had them on for about a year and a half, so I've had my fun with them, but I'm kind of just ready to take them off. And the quality of the vinyl was kind of sus, so I'm a little bit worried about what my paint's gonna look like underneath them, but I think we should be fine. Yeah, take one good last look, because I do plan on putting these back on sometime in the future, but I think for now, with like the bodywork being messed up and everything, and it's probably gonna be a while before I get suspension and wheels, which is kind of what I wanted to like pair with the stripe, but definitely want to rock this look again in the future because it is pretty sick. But for right now, I think we're just going back to stock. A little secret about this car, I don't know if anybody ever noticed this, if you've seen this thing in person before, I hope not, but I did an amazing job of making sure that the stickers didn't peel up at the edges. You can see just like literal duct tape holding it to the body of the car, and honestly it did really good, which, I mean, this thing doesn't see a lot of like rain and stuff, because this car has not seen rain at all since I got this, but the duct tape honestly did a really good job of holding together. So if anybody's having trouble getting your vinyls to stick on a weird edge like that, then now you know what to do. Alright, so I've got a little bit of an edge up here, and it looks like I think we're going to be fine as far as paint goes, and this is coming off pretty easy with no heat even, so I'm just going to kind of work this down the line, and we'll see where we get. Alrighty, well, we've reached the point of no return, and the vinyl came off real smooth, which was nice and easy. So it's kind of weird. I haven't seen this fender with no sticker on it in a long time, but there still is a tiny bit of like adhesive where like the lines on the car were like separate, but I'm gonna give it a wash afterwards, so that should take care of that. But yeah, I'm just gonna knock this side of the car out, and then I'll pick up when we're done with that. No more rice. Back to clean. It kind of looks weird without the stickers, I guess just because I'm so used to seeing it with them, but I kind of like it. I think it really needs wheels now, but haven't really looked at it from back here yet, but yeah, it's pretty clean. I enjoy. Well, we are kind of running out of daylight here, so I'm going to try and get to work on the other side, and there's a pretty good chance that there's going to be no light left when I'm done, so if not, then we'll pick up tomorrow, but if there is, then I'll try and get you a look. Ignore that front end. What do y'all prefer? I know the stripe is kind of iconic, but just ready to change it up a bit. So, a quick little update for you. As you can see, it is a little bit darker outside than the last clip, but I got both sides off and I gave the car a wash because it was desperately needing one. It hadn't been washed since like, gosh, I don't know, November maybe? And it's May right now, so it was dirty, but got her all cleaned up. Only problem that I'm running into is that I don't think you'll be able to see on the GoPro, but on each side of like the stripe segments of the decals, it left like a tiny thin line of adhesive. So right now I'm just going through with the trusty old rag and the good old Goo Gone and I'm just kind of scrubbing it all off, which is making my hands hurt a little bit, but I don't even know if the adhesive being there is that noticeable, but I know it's there. I'm already here. I don't have anything to do, so I'm just knocking it out as we go, but I'll give you guys an update clip tomorrow whenever, you know, the sun comes back out, and we'll see how she looks. Alright, so we're back. It's actually 2 days after the last clip because I was super duper busy yesterday, so I didn't really get a chance to record, but we are back. And plus, it's a lot nicer today anyway, so that it's definitely a bonus also. This is actually one of the first times that I've driven this car in about 2 months, so I really have missed it quite a lot. I'm still waiting for my Xterra to sell. If you are interested in buying a 2001 Xterra with a lot of miles and mild problems, then I'll put the link for the marketplace listing down in the description. Or if you know anybody that would be interested, then that would be cool. If you can help me get it sold, then you're technically contributing to the next bits of progress on this car, or maybe even a new car. I still haven't fully decided what I want to do if I can get that thing sold, because I was looking at EF Civic hatches on Marketplace, and I found this really clean one in a couple towns over, but it actually sold just recently, and it made me super bummed because I was really kind of interested in it. My boy got that big tin trailer. Yeah, I apologize for the lack of uploads recently. Life has kind of been kicking my ass and I've been really busy, so haven't really had a lot of time to record stuff, but as summer kind of rolls closer, then we'll be getting some more videos cranking out, and some more exciting ones at that. Yeah, another reason I don't think I really mentioned as to why I wanted to take the stripes off was that when this thing goes into paint to get like the bumper and the hood fixed, last time I had this car resprayed, the body shop I went to kind of did a bad job with overspray, so I don't know, it just kind of had me paranoid that like if I take it to body and then it gets like overspray around the edges of like the decal, and it'll be, you know, a pain in the ass to get off the paint. So even though that body isn't probably going to happen for a little bit because I'm making like absolutely zero money right now, I still just kind of wanted to take them off. And plus it like gave me something to do, and I don't know, I haven't seen the car with no stickers. I kind of already said this, but I haven't seen the car with no stickers in quite a while, so I think it looks really good actually. I'll find a place to pull off here in a second, and I'll give a little overview of what the outside of the car looks like now. What's a nice little Honda? Oh, I want a Honda so bad. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a big old plane about to land over there. I apologize if the audio quality kind of sucks because there is like a power plant over there, but here she is, back to basic. I parked it with the nose pointing forward because it's like, you know, the ugly spot of the car, but next plan of action is to, you know, get all this up here fixed. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know that the last one wasn't super entertaining, to be honest. Got a little drive action today. Man, this thing is looking pretty good right now. I feel like with no stickers, it's like, I don't know if this makes sense, but it's like the car looks like it's like a different shape now somehow. But I am quite happy with the results. I really did kind of miss the like clean look. Not that the stickers or anything were bad at all, but
Is that a Tallman?
Yeah, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you made it to the end, then drop a comment maybe or something. Hit that like button if you're feeling like it. Maybe even subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers by the end of the year, so I think that's very doable if I like keep uploading and you all subscribe if you like the videos. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch you later.